rice husk ash. The purposes of this experiment is to synthesize zeolite from rice husk ash. The rice husk ash used was taken from North Toto, Tilongkabila, Bonobolango Regency. The working procedure of this experiment is: first, weighing RHA as much as 15 grams for 3 comparisons. Next, weighing potassium hydroxide as much as 10 grams, 8.75 grams, and 7.5 grams at 10 ml of aqueous. Weigh aluminium sulfate as much as 3.57 grams for 3 comparisons at 10 ml of aqueous. Mix potassium hydroxide solution with aluminum sulfate and RHA for each comparison. Heat up with the water bath while stirring until the solution is thick. Transfer the solution into the watch glass and dry it in the oven. Observe the change that occurred. In the synthesis of zeolite, uses rice husk ash from furnace burning in the village of North Toto, Tilongkabila. The use of rice husk ash in this zeolite synthesis because the sample contains silica ions, which are the content of zeolite. The first things to do is weigh the ashes of rice husk ash as much as 7.5 grams for 3 comparisons, so the total use of rice husk ash is 22.5 grams. Next, weighing potassium hydroxide as much as 5 grams, 4.3 grams, and 3.7 grams, so the total weight of potassium hydroxide used is 13.125 grams. After getting a sample with the appropriate weight, it is continued by making potassium hydroxide solution by adding aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparisons. Next, weighing aluminum sulfate as much as 1.8 for 3 comparisons, so the number of sample used is 5.6 grams. After getting the sample, continue by making a solution by adding aqueous as much as 10 ml in its comparisons. Next, blend the rice husk ash, potassium hydroxide solution, and aluminum sulfate solution in each comparison so as to get a pitch black solution. After all the ingredients have been mixed and produce a black solution, then the solution will be heated using a hot plate. Heating using a hot plate is intended to make a thick solution before heating using an oven. This heating is done to evaporate to heat in order to get the results of a thick solution. After getting a thick solution, transfer the solution into the watch glass whose surface has been welded with filter paper. After that, heat the solution. Heating in the oven is done for 30 minutes until the zeolite dries. Drying in the oven is done while using water trapped in the zeolite. The result is that the zeolite turns solid and pitch black in color. From the experiments carried out, it can be concluded that zeolite can be synthesized from rice husk ash because it has a lot of silica content. This rice husk ash consists in the literature is 92 to 95% silica.